If n times 18 is equal to 1 over 2, find n. A. 76. B. 36. C. 9. D. 1 over 36. E. 1 over 9. Solution. If n times 18 is equal to 1 over 2, we divide both sides by 18. N times 18 divided by 18 is equal to 1 over 2 divided by 18. 18 cancels 18. N equals 1 over 2 times 1 over 18. Equals 1 over 36. The correct option is D. Express 84 over 182 in its lowest terms. A. 2 over 7. B. 42 over 91. C. 6 over 13. D. 3 over 13. E. 3 over 7. Solution. To express 84 over 182 in its lowest term, divide the numerator and denominator by 2. 84 divided by 2 is 42. 182 divided by 2 is 91. That is equals 42 over 91. Simplifying further. Divide also the numerator and denominator by 7. 42 divided by 7 is 6. And 91 divided by 7 is 13. That is equals 6 over 13. The correct answer is C. Simplify 5 whole number 1 over 3 times 1 over 4 divided by 1 whole number 3 over 5. A. 2 whole number 2 over 15. B. 13 whole number 1 over 3. C. 5 over 6. D. 1 whole number 1 over 5. E. 1 over 6. Solution. Converting to improper fraction. Equals 16 over 3 times 1 over 4 divided by 8 over 5. Using BODMAS. Equals 16 over 3 times 5 over 32. 16 divided by 16 is equal to 1. 32 divided by 16 is equal to 2. Therefore, 1 times 5 divided by 3 times 2 equals 5 over 6. The correct answer is C.